wobbly wobbly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan. This is another pouring episode. I went to Hobby Lobby and I happened to notice these pre-mixed pouring paint kits. I have never tried them. I really like mixing my own paint, but I thought, there might be a lot of people out there who either can't mix their own paint, don't want to mix their own paint, or want to try pouring, but aren't really sure about all the stuff that you need and all that, and thought it would be easier to use a pre-mixed. So I thought I'd give it a try in case anybody's on the fence about it, so you can see what it's like before you try it. I bought and paid for this myself, so this isn't a paid advertisement or anything. But it says they come pre-mixed with the right amount of pouring medium for optimal flow and amazing results. It doesn't say anything about silicone or anything. So I think I'm going to add a couple drops to each. I've not opened these, so I'm not even sure what the consistency is. It was $16.99. I did use a coupon, but I bought a few different things. So I'm not sure if the coupon came off on this or not. And it's 4 paints, and they each have 4 ounces. So that's, before the coupon. It's about $4 each. So that's kind of expensive considering you're not mixing it with anything. So this is it. But like I said, if you can't mix or don't want to mix or just want to give it a shot, it might be worth spending the $16.99 or getting the coupon and spending a little bit less than that and trying it out before, you buy a whole bunch of supplies. It would also be a lot easier if you have a very small area and you don't want to house everything. It does look like it needs some shaking. I don't know how long these were sitting on the shelves. And I didn't look for one that looked, but I did notice that in the store, but I thought, let's just try this out as authentically as we can without trying to find a good batch. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add, my dog, 2 drops per color, and then I'm going to shake it up. I hope I don't get bubbles. If I was doing this just on my own instead of trying to do a video, I probably would have. It might not be a bad idea to let it sit if you do this for a little while in case it makes bubbles. I don't know, though. Maybe it won't make too many bubbles. 2 drops. That's interesting. This one sounds and feels thinner than this one. It might just be me. Not really the paint. 1, 2. Shake, shake, shake. That one feels more like the first one. Whoops. There we go. 1, 2. We'll take that last little bit for the people that would drive nuts. My husband would be one of those people. I sometimes do that with medicine. Like if I have a migraine and I'm just trying to get to a new bottle of Advil or something, I'll poke my finger through and just get enough to try and get my headache away because I have a headache. I just want it gone. And my husband's like, why didn't you take the whole thing off?
I really want to.
Yeah.
My hat.
Okay. Oops, why did I do that? I need to fill the cup. Okay, so I guess we'll just fill a cup here. This kit does not have white, but I just wanted to use the kit this time and not anything else, so that if you are just getting the kit, this is what you would get. I do kind of like that it has this little pop top, so if you want to pour it directly on the canvas for certain effects, would you, like if you're doing a swipe or something, and you wanted to pour it like that right on the canvas, you have that option. It's kind of nice. Woo! These are thinner than I normally use. They look really pretty in the cup, but I do know that I like my paint a little thicker than most. Out, Cooper. So, for most people, this is probably going to be spot on. Add a little bit more of this. I want to make sure I have plenty of paint on here because I don't want to have to stretch the paint too much. Has a little bit of an odor, but nothing crazy. Okay. So there we go. Get those out of the way. Get my canvas. I'm just gonna do a flip cup. That cup is really pretty, isn't it? I'm just gonna do a flip cup to keep it easy since this is something I don't know how it reacts, and I thought a flip cup is always a good tester. All right. There we go. That's really pretty. Let's torch it and see what happens. Got some cells that are torching. Some separation here. I've had that a lot recently, these little weird separations. I'm not sure why. I wonder if my torch is running out and it's like getting extra hot or something. Whoa. That light purple is just totally taking over, isn't it? Totally taking over. Let's go back this way. Some really nice cells over here, though. Don't turn that on. Alright. Gotta do something to that middle, though. Oops. Let's add a little bit of this right here in this corner. See, that's what I really like about that. It's really kind of nice. Of course, you can do that with your own, putting them in little squirt bottles. Ooh, if you hear a horrible noise, that's my husband. He is weed whacking. Right outside my window. Okay. So let's just swipe this and see what we get. Bring some color. Yeah. Sorry about that. This is my little 2-year-old's been watching Dora, or 3-year-old's been watching Dora the Explorer. That was swipe or no swiping. Okay, I am going to leave it. I might do a little bit of, let's do a little bit of the white light blue just because I kind of like it, so I don't want to fiddle with it too much, which is unlike me. Okay, Cooper, because I like to fiddle, but I actually really like this. But it's kind of interesting. That is really pretty. I'm going to have to experiment more. Let me know what you want me to try with this. That is gorgeous over there. I wish I would have had more of that. If you want to see a certain technique with it, let me know. I might mix it with some regular paints next time too. And see, but I'm going to say that, you know, is it a replacement for your own mixed paints? Maybe not. Could you fiddle with the mixture a little bit? Probably. But let me know what you want to know about these paints, and I will try. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. That is so pretty right there. But there you have it. My first pour using that premixed color pour paint. Tell me what you think or what your experience is with it, because this is all new to me. But I will say, if you want to try pouring, and you don't want to buy all of the ingredients, or you just want to give it a try, or you want to see what the consistency is sort of supposed to feel like, not too bad. I'm not gonna, this is really neat. It gets some really big and beautiful cells over there, so maybe I just put in too much of that light purple and it just really took over, but that's the fun of fluid art. So we'll see you next time, guys. Happy pouring.